Okay, so what book are we gonna read next?
I don't know, there's so many.
What about science or planets?
These look a little hard. Can we go to an easier level?
Okay.
Yes, these are perfect. Plan some rainbows. This microphone is on. There are 7 colors in the rainbow.
Rainbow.
Rainbow? Rainbow. Yes.
My turn. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Ta-da! Done. We've got our badge. Next. You can pop the balloons.
Okay. Pop, pop. Poppy, pop, pop, pop.
Okay, what's next?
More plants and rainbows.
No!
Rainbows can sometimes come in twos, and that's what they call a double rainbow.